Well, my name is Herbert Midgley, and I'm gonna bust your chops for your own good. Time and time again, I see people taking photos like this. Don't take photos like this, take photos like this. That's the way your TV screen is. That's the way your computer monitors are. It's not like this. This is the way you take photos. And every time you see a video, a viral video that's like this, you always say, why can't you see more? Because they didn't do this. All you have to do is this, and you get something that actually looks really good instead of this, which you don't. So, busting your chops for your own good. When you take a photo, take it like this, not like this. Even back in the old days with cameras, we always took a photo, for the most part, like this. Every once in a while you took a photo like this. But for the most part, you're taking a photo like this. You capture all the action, and everybody's happy, including me. That's Herbert Midgley busting your chops for your own good. Rock and roll, everybody. Yeah.